Welcome guys. In my previous video I was showed you how we can install virtualbox inside our computer system. If you not watch that video, so I will give a link in description so you can watch that video too. Now start today's topic, that how we can create a window machine inside our virtualbox. So let's start. What we need, let me open my terminal. What we need to download ISO file of window. After that we can create window machine inside our virtualbox. So let's start. Open up a browser. You can type here download ISO file of window and hit enter. Go on microsoft.com website, official site. Yes, this one. I'm going with window 10. Here you need to choose edition. Yeah, window 10. Click on confirm. Product. Here I choose English. Here click on confirm. If you using 32-bit, then click on this. I'm using 64-bit computer system, so click on this and save file. Here downloading starts. 5.4 GB its size, big file. We need to wait. It depends totally upon your internet connection, so just wait. So our downloading is complete. We need to check it. Guys, I'm using window. I'm not using window, I'm using a clone of Linux. So if you guys using window operating system inside your computer, then the scenario is little bit different for you, but the steps are same, trust me. Here it is, the ISO image of window. So what we need to open our virtualbox, maximize it. Here I already created a window machine. Let me show you. We can create another one. Click on new. Here give it a name. I'm type here win10. Yeah, window. Oh yeah, good. 64. Okay, click on next. Go with default. Next. Create. Okay, next. Go with dynamic allocated. It's good. Next. If you want to change the location of folder, then you can choose whatever you want. I'm going with default. Click on create. So here the path is created. Now start. Click on start. Here we need to choose the ISO image that we just downloaded, 5.43 gigabyte. Click on start. Ignore these warnings. Ignore. Here we need to choose something. Yeah, English is good. If you can choose according to you, and go with default. Next, click on install now. Setup is starting. We need to wait. It takes little bit. If you don't have license key, then click on this. I don't have a product key. Choose the version. I'm choosing Windows 10 Pro and click on next. Accept the license. If you want, then you can read. Just click on accept and next. Upgrade Windows and key file settings. Custom install window only. I'm going with install window. It still works on installation. Just wait. Here, our process also complete. Installation of updates. Finishing up. Window needs to restart to continue restarting in post 3. We click on now. Ignore. Now see, click on this. Here the icon, the beautiful one, like window, but addicted with Linux, a clone of Unix. Getting ready.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign.
Go with Autona. Sit back and relax while working. Don't turn off. Okay, just a moment. Okay, we are fine. This. Okay, see. Hi. Okay, we are getting things ready for you. Okay, here we need to type our email address. Email.com and click on next. Here we need to enter our password. Click on next. If you want to create a pin, click on this, create pin, and create a pin for this machine. Click on OK. Here I recommend you disable these all because we just using window inside our virtualbox just for browsing, nothing as important. Click on accept. You can customize. I'm going with default and click on skip. Use your Android phone from your PC. No, remind me later. Okay. Backup your files with OneDrive. If you have account on it, click on next. If you want to try Microsoft 365, then try for free. I'm good. No thanks. I don't want cartoon. Not now. Now maybe installation process ready. This takes several minutes. Don't turn off your computer. Guys, we need to wait little bit. Okay, leave everything to you. Okay guys, here our window machine is working fine. Okay, yeah, let's see. Why is not working full screen mode? Let me check. Okay, we need to go on insert guest edition CD images. Click on view and full screen mode. See, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please do this. Subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.